Hello children, today we are going to start lesson 2 from this book, First Flight. Lesson 2 is a poem, Dust of Snow. It is a poem written by Robert Frost. You know, Robert Frost was an American poet, and in a very short poem he wants to convey a message. You have to understand that very short poem, only 8 lines, 2 stanzas. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. This tree, hemlock tree, it is a poisonous tree. And crow is also not regarded as a good bird. It is also regarded as a bad omen. So scene is that place is snow covered, even the tree is also covered by snow, and the poet is sitting under the tree. And when a crow, the way a crow shook down on me, it means a crow sat on the branch of this tree, and then what happened? Some snow, the dust of snow, means flakes of snow, fell on him from a hemlock tree. And then what happened? This incident has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Rued is a word here, feeling of regret. It means his mood was sad. This word shows that in the stanza 1, his mood was sad. But his mood was made good. Has a change of mood, means he becomes happy with this incident when some dust of snow fell on him. So here poet wants to say nature has healing power. Sad mood change into happy mood. So the bird crow, which is inauspicious, regarded as inauspicious bird, a bird of bad omen. But what we see here, even inauspicious things can bring joy and happiness. It all depends on your mood. Anything can make your mood good or bad. It all depends on you. Everything is within you. So nothing is good or bad, we can say. So crow's movement, falling of snow, made his day, which was ruined, which was gloomy. He was in a gloomy mood, sad mood. So it is superstition. Crow is not a good bird, and it is also poisonous tree. But these two things, which are indicator of bad things, can make and had the power to change his mood. So this is the power of nature. This beautiful scene, this beautiful incident made his great day great. So the poet has written his experience, how a tiny thing, a tiny accident, tiny incident, a small incident can change the mood of a person. That's all for today. Thank you.